Okay, so next up on the video is the internal day tank. As you can see, this is a smaller tank up here. So this is in the workshop. I'll show you the pipe there if I can. So you can see the pipe in the corner. It comes up from low level, rises to above, and you can see the gate valve in the corner there. That gate valve is to act as a manual air point, so you see gate valve and a plug. Passes behind the back of the flue there. Comes through here, through the valve, into the top connection right here, where the solenoid is, and then connection to the top of the tank. Now, unlike the main tank, this does not require a 2-inch connection on it because this is fed by pump from the main tank that I just showed you previously. So this is a 25mm 1-inch pipe that comes in, say, through the solenoid. Solenoids in here are connected to the fire alarm system and a manual quick release and a heat sensor above the boilers. Again, we've got the data badge, we've got the lifting eyes, so there's 2 lifting eyes. Got the inspection hatch. This is the vent with a guard over the top of it. This is our multi-level sensor here. That tells us high level, low level and overfill. And can't quite make it out. Let me try, put my finger in front of it. So you can see there, that's the sight gauge, giving a visual indication of the oil level inside the tank. Again, at the bottom there is a self-resetting valve. Can't quite make it out. Apologies. So there we've got the self-resetting valve, and there's also a wee strainer in there as well. And that will give it see the wee green ball sitting inside the tube there. If I could actually get over to reach the valve, I could reset it and it will tell you the level of oil inside it. So it's just a simple plastic tube that's supported in an aluminium bracket. But when I push that tube, it will rise to the same level as the oil inside the tank. Again, just to show you around the tank, there's the vent, 2-inch vent on it, with a mesh guard on it, although the mesh guard is damaged. Right, come back round to this side here. So there's our outlet connection there. So the outlet connection, valve, drops down, and again we've got another solenoid. This solenoid again is connected into the fire alarm system, the manual quick release and the heat sensor. So in the event of a fire, that solenoid will shut, would stop the oil from the tank going down to the boiler. Also, if the pump was actually filling this tank up, that solenoid there would also shut down in the event of a fire, stopping any further oil coming into the tank.